In this detailed guide, I'll walk you through leveraging the Trojan bot on Solana. Rather than a brief overview, I'll delve into key steps for a comprehensive understanding. Start by accessing Menos at Trojan or using the provided link in the video description. Through my referral link, you'll enjoy a 10% discount on trading fees, beneficial for active traders. Once on the Menos platform, click Start to access your dashboard, displaying essential information like contract address and balance. Optimize your experience by adjusting settings within the bot. Prioritize transaction speed by selecting fast or turbo, crucial for minimizing transaction failures and ensuring accurate pricing. Customize buy settings for swift execution without manual confirmation, setting slippage at 5% to balance loss avoidance and transaction accuracy. Enable M-Protect for enhanced transaction privacy and risk mitigation, albeit with a nominal fee. Track portfolio performance with profit and loss values, toggling chart previews based on chart analysis preference. Execute trades seamlessly by inputting token symbol or address, utilizing preset purchase amounts for swift acquisition. Manage positions through the Positions tab, initiating selling actions as needed. For queries, leave a comment for assistance. With these steps, efficiently utilize the Trojan bot on Solana for enhanced profitability and security.